Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're here today. Today's episode is about something we all need at some point in life: asking for help. Asking for help in English is an important skill, especially for beginners. It helps you solve problems, learn faster, and feel more confident when speaking. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever needed help in English but felt shy or nervous to ask? Maybe you didn't know the right words, or you were afraid of making mistakes. You are not alone. Many English learners feel this way. But the truth is, asking for help is polite, normal, and very important. People are usually happy to help when you ask kindly. In this episode, you will learn simple and polite ways to ask for help in English. We will use easy words, short sentences, and clear examples that you can use in real life. Today, we will practice how to ask for help politely, common phrases to use in daily situations, asking for help at school, work, or in public, how to respond when someone helps you, and how to feel confident when asking for help. You don't need perfect English to ask for help. You only need simple phrases and a polite tone. Take a deep breath, relax, and imagine needing help with something small. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say. Asking for help politely follows a simple structure. Step 1. Get attention politely. You can start with, "Excuse me," or "Sorry to bother you." Step 2. Ask for help clearly. Use simple phrases like, "Can you help me, please?" "Could you help me?" "I need some help." Step 3. Say what you need help with. Be clear and simple. "Can you help me find this place?" "Could you explain this word?" "I need help with my homework." Step 4. Say thank you. Always be polite. "Thank you very much." "Thanks a lot." Example: "Excuse me, can you help me, please? I'm looking for the bus station. Thank you." You can use these sentences at school, work, shops, or when traveling. Remember, speaking slowly and clearly is more important than using difficult words. Asking for help shows confidence, not weakness. Let's practice asking for help with questions and answers. General help. Question: "Excuse me, can you help me?" Answer: "Yes, of course." At school: "Can you help me with this question?" Answer: "Sure, I can help you." At work: "Could you explain this task, please?" Answer: "Yes, no problem." In public places: "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" "It's over there." If you don't understand, "Can you repeat that, please?" "Can you speak slowly?" "I don't understand. Can you help me?" When someone helps you: "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." Asking for help happens in many daily situations. With friends or classmates: "Can you help me with my homework?" "Can you show me how to do this?" With teachers or coworkers: "Excuse me, could you explain this again?" "May I ask for your help?" In shops or public places: "Excuse me, can you help me find this item?" "Could you tell me the price, please?" With strangers politely: "Sorry to bother you, but can you help me?" "Excuse me, do you know where this place is?" When someone asks you for help, respond kindly. Sure. Of course. No problem. Tips to sound polite. Use please, say thank you, smile, and speak calmly. Asking for help builds communication and confidence. It's a normal and positive part of learning English. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to ask for help in English. We practiced polite phrases, clear questions, and friendly responses for school, work, and daily life. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. You don't need perfect English. Simple and polite sentences are enough to communicate clearly. Here's your practice for today. Say this out loud. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Could you explain this to me? Thank you very much. Try using these sentences today with a friend, classmate, or family member. Practice makes you stronger and more confident. Thank you for listening to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to ask for help in English.